Okay, this is Lizzy's attic as you're heading into Sugarcreek. It's right on 39. Got lots of antiques, lots of vintage and consignment. Really neat store. This is one of the antique stores here, right at the edge of Holmes County in Sugarcreek. So make sure you stop there and look at that one. We're gonna go inside and take a look at some of the different things and do a quick walkthrough. And then we're gonna return here later on just as the rest of the stores and do a more detailed look. So come on inside. Okay, like I said, we're just doing a quick overview of all of the different stores, and this is Lizzy's attic in Sugarcreek. Lots of different items. 2 floors. We're going to come back and do a much more detailed video in the near future. Very reasonably priced things, like coffee cups, $2. Look at the glow of the color there. Because I always have to tell people that so here's Lizzy's attic in Sugarcreek. As you come in the door, there's just lots of items to look at. So make sure you look at all the little nooks and crannies. There's lots of neat things here. We're just going to do an overview and then we'll be coming back. We'll do a much more in-depth in the very near future.